Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your OPPO Reno 50F 5G. First, toggle Wi-Fi off and on in Settings. Open Settings, go to Wi-Fi, disable and enable it. Then forget the network you're connected to and reconnect. Tap the info icon, click Forget, then Remove. Select the same network, enter the password, and save. Next, restart your router and phone. To restart the router, find the power switch on the side or back, which restarts it without resetting anything. For the phone, press power and volume up simultaneously, swipe up to restart. After the restart, as a last resort, check for software updates. Go to Settings, scroll down to System and Update, then click Software Update, but make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi first. It automatically checks for updates. If you're not on the latest version, definitely update your phone to avoid old glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.